Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we got an update regarding to Tanla that it's a blockchain technology Torblog which is going to states. That means last year same in September August I think I done a video regarding this latest technology that going to launch, and the Indian telecom regulatory TROI announced that every telecom sector companies and telemarketers and who are working in telecom industry must use these type of blockchain technologies to curb online frauds and to arrest hackers. And going forward that after that the Tanla platform share hits everyday upper circuit. And friends, today what we are going to see is that Tanla Solutions partnered with Microsoft to co-sell secure communication platform Wisely. That friends, they recently developed this product in partnership with Microsoft, and Tanla Platforms is planning to take this blockchain based Turblog abroad this year. That means 2021. This why they want to take this to other countries means I already mentioned previously itself that Dubai also going to take measures on applying these blockchain technologies in their telecom industry. So with this the technology which ensures piracy and security of messages sent digitally will be deployed in Dubai on 1st April 2021. I think this will be very good news for who are holding Tanla platforms. In this bloodbath also the share given 2.5% up I think. And friends, next we will start off with this company announced today. They are start with Dubai and the whole of Middle East, then look at other geographies. Why? Because present Middle East given these restrictions from April onwards, so they are going to plan this product global expansions on 2021 and 2022. So one of the subscriber in comment section asked about this 5 years journey. Friends, with this expansion of their products we can expect a huge number of revenue generation, so we cannot imagine also friends. So going forward, see, as its ICE global foray, the communication platform as a service player with 70% of market share in the country. So what are the shares related to this means Affil India and Tanla platforms. These are working these communication platform as a service, and I didn't know Route, but Route also comes under this category. So friends, Tanla has slightly changed its business strategy by clubbing the offerings of Tanla and Kerix, a company that it acquired 3 years ago. So with this we can expect Tanla Solutions will give a very good revenue, and we increased the target of this share to 1200. Previously I kept 1000 rupees as a target, and with 50 paise less 999.50 it reached and went down on the same day. But friends, I am expecting, I mentioned earlier also, on the day one of the operator or anyone sold just 38k shares and hits lower circuit. In lower circuit he bought nearly 200k shares. So friends, take a chance of kept this share in our portfolio. It's not a problem. Why? Because TROI and Indian cabinet ministries also given some restrictions to OTT players. See here, this technology Torblog, which is built to requirements mandated by the Telecom Regulatory of India, addressing the problems of unsolicited commercial communication. It authenticates the messages sent by various service providers, OTT platform players and telemarketers to their representative customers. So security is the first thing. Who are working on development side like software technology, they will know how security plays a key role on any product development. So on digital side, security provided first taken by this company. They developed a product which already taken by few telemarketers and some OTT platform players also in India. So I am expecting it will give you huge revenue. Next time the share will reach 1200, then I will do a video and I will update if anything will came to my mind. So they are expecting that Wisely is an updated version of TubeLog with additional features. So friends, these are the things which we are going to see, and we can expect that the revenue and the profit and the margin all will increase next quarter. So thank you friends, thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel.